Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. So today's video is my very last dress of my fall fashion mood board, but I must admit that this is a fail. This dress needs a do-over. So I'm going to go into the specs so you guys know what I'm talking about. And I'm going to insert pictures along the way so you can see what I did. So this dress was inspired by MimiG. It was her color blocking dress that she did I think about a year ago, and her inspiration was DFW. If I don't have it correct, you're gonna see it somewhere in the screen. And I really fell in love with that dress. She made a tutorial for it. Now I did follow the tutorial. However, I took an exit before I was supposed to get off the highway. And that is just what happened. Her tutorial is awesome. It's really good. It's really in-depth. She really explains why she does what she does. However, it didn't really go that way for me. Or I hacked a pattern that I used for a dress that I made last year, which is going to be featured somewhere during the summer. And I bought it on Etsy from her shop is called RutaGreDesign, and the lady is called Gruta. And I must admit, what she has in her shop is beautiful. She has beautiful dresses, but like when you see the dresses on Pinterest, she actually creates the patterns for them, and they're quite inexpensive. So I was really happy to come across her on Etsy, and she was really kind. So I would highly recommend her, and I'm definitely going to put her information in the description so you can check it out. The colors that I chose for my color blocking is white, gray, and pink, and it was a jersey. And the front of my dress came out beautiful. All the lines really aligned, everything was good. It is the back of my dress where the disappointment starts. And I'm definitely going to do this one over and probably present it to you again by the end of summer. So let's start with the positive. So the positive is the front of the dress, and this is the back. Okay, so I have the dress on. My undergarment isn't the best for this dress because I do have a tank top on and my famous black tights. But this is my color blocking version of the dress that MimiG made. So you're gonna ask yourself, what is the problem? Well, this is the problem. There's not only an issue going on here, and I started to loosen it up so I could fix it. There is not only something going on here, there's definitely no flow whatsoever with the white piece. There is some confusion over here, and there's some confusion going down my backside. So right below my backside. Plus, I had an incident with a candle. We're not going to speak about it, but the incident with the candle that I had provided an extra seam right here. So I had to cut out this piece and attach the piece. I mean, whoa. This dress was some confusion from the beginning to end. Don't let this discourage you. I can't stress that enough. Things like this happen all the time. And believe you me, I was highly disappointed. I mean, after my candle incident, I was like, come on, girl. But I can't let this determine my entire sewing journey. I need to roll with the punches, and things are not always going to be as you plan them to be. But do know that you can start over. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid, comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. I must say that I'm really enjoying the interaction with you guys below the videos. It is awesome. So continue to do that and have a great day.